welcome to part 3 of my series. In this one here, we're going to be continuing on from my LPVO course that I had early in the day. The second part of the day, or last part of the day, was a positional shooting portion. When time is a factor in a competition or match, getting in position on target quickly is crucial. Most of my training, and I didn't have a lot of rifle training. I had only owned a rifle for a year actually and barely shot it. It was all prone position. Doing my research, I had never done any of those positions I was seeing in the tactical games. So this portion here, we went over to the 600-yard, the other portion of the 600-yard target, to the connex, and practice some different positional shooting. So what you're going to see here is some of the different positions they had me in, and had me getting on and engaging targets at distances from 100 yards out to 600 yards. I hope you all enjoy. It's going to be a really quick video. It was 2 different portions, but I'm going to kind of merge them together and give you a kick of some of the things that I did. Some of these windows, you're probably going to see me on my tippy toes, or I'm really down on the ground, or like one of them, I'm up on this like almost like a rooftop. I literally was sliding off the rooftop, and they had to put their foot behind me to keep me from sliding while I was also trying to shoot the rifle. But it was fun. I learned a lot. I learned how to properly stand behind my rifle when you're in different positions, because it allows you to control the rifle a little bit more than the main position everybody knows about, which is just locking it in your shoulder and kind of standing with 1 foot forward. There's some different ways you would stand or sit depending on the position that you're in. And that standard sit, I'm talking about the way your arms are rested on either leg and stuff like that. So I had a lot of information from that course. So here's a little bit of those videos. I hope you all enjoy and comment what you think. Thank you all. Catch you next time. Yes, sir.
Stand by. Impact. Can you see the next one?
No.
Change positions. Over here. Quick, quick, quick. There you go. One's at about impact. Got the orange.
Yep.
That one's at 100. Impact. Last one, white target. By the vehicle.
orange?
By the vehicle. This
Okay.
one. That one's about 280. Impact.
Okay.
Here we go. Both move.
Okay.
Close up, you got any more. Impact. Impact. Impact.
Come on.
There you go. There you go. belly shots. Hit. 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 Final target.